Starting at the top, it's a big line down, back up, little bump, loop, little bump, and a tail. So you can see that tail will go all the way through that lower part of the B to connect to the next letter. Again, big line down, back up, bump, loop, bump, tail. Now I know it is fun to trace the dotted lines here, but where you get really good is when you do what I call freehand writing. Big line down, back up, bump, loop, bump, tail. And take that all the way across. Now I know not everyone probably likes to do loops as much as I do. So I guess that's always an option if you want to eliminate that little loop, but it sure is fun and it really looks nice. Next is lowercase b. So we're starting here, the halfway point between the dotted line and the baseline. It's a big loop up, big line down, bump. Now on this type style, this loop I think is kind of big. It almost looks like a little E is hitchhiking. So we're gonna make it a little bit smaller. I go about half the size, loop, tail. So big loop up, big line down, bump, little loop, tail. You see the difference? Big loop up, big line down, bump, loop, tail. Now, if you like that big loop, then go ahead and do that big loop. If you were questioning the size of the loop, I agree. Just take your time going all the way across with your lowercase b's. Upper and lowercase b.